Department of War Secretary Pete Hegseth at Defense Secretary Gibo Teodoro inanunsyong bumuo ang Pilipinas at Amerika ng Task Force Philippines. Ang Task Force Philippines ay hukbong pandigmang nakatutok lang talaga sa Scarborough Shoal. Ibig sabihin, may sariling missile system na papasabugin kung magkakagulo sa Baho de Masinloc. Matatandaang may balak ang China ng magtayo ng nature reserve, pero babala ni Secretary Hegseth, hindi naman daw papasabugin agad ang HIMARS, basta hindi din magtatambak ang China. China nga ang magdidikta kung magkakagulo ba o hindi.
What it is, that this is a critically important partnership for us. Our alliance has never been stronger. Our mutual defense treaty is the bedrock of that. We share concerns about China's coercion in the South China Sea, particularly recently in Scarborough Shoal. It bears repeating that that mutual defense treaty is critical for both of our countries. Either of our forces anywhere in the South China Sea, it is applicable. And we don't seek confrontation, but of course we're ready to protect our interests, individually and mutually. And that's why we're publicly announcing the Task Force Philippines here with you today, which will be another step in our cooperation. Increasing interoperability, exercising, and preparedness for contingencies so that we can decisively respond to crisis or aggression and reestablish deterrence in the South China Sea.
Banat pa ni Secretary Gibo sa mga Chinese Coast Guard, wala kayong dapat ikabahala, China. Kung rerespetuhin nyo ang Philippine Coast Guard at BIFAR, wala tayong magiging problema. Papabayaan nyo ang mga mangisdang kababayan naming Pilipinong nais lang maghanap buhay. Pero kung ipagpapatuloy ba din ang pagtataboy at pagtatambak, babala ni Secretary Gibo, aatake ang Pilipinas ang Amerika nang naayon sa international law. Karapatan daw ng Task Force Philippines, depensahan at protektahan ng teritoryo ng Pilipinas.
US-Philippine alliance should not be seen in isolation because the alliance and moving forward now are based on fundamentals. These fundamentals are respect for international law, respect for territorial integrity and sovereignty. And so, as Secretary Hegseth said, it is not only important for both our countries that we interoperate deeper, better, we deter better, we add more allies, because freedom of navigation, respect for territorial integrity and sovereignty are not only important for us but for the whole world, given the strategic area that the Philippines occupies in the whole world economic supply chains and the security environment. So we look forward to deepening the alliance, not only now but for future generations of freedom-loving people that both the United States and the Philippines represent.
Grabe si War Secretary Hegseth at Secretary Gibo, talagang may unit na inilagay para kung magkakagera talaga sa Scarborough Shoal o Baho de Masinloc, may aatake agad at re-respack. Kayo, pabor ba kayong may nakatutok na militar dyan? I-komento sa baba ang inyong saldo pin.